Do not forget to admire my video and subscribe to the channel. The blue elephant pill, or blue death, is known scientifically as DMT, which is banned from trading internationally and is priced at $40 per pill. The blue elephant pill, DMT, which was written by the blue elephant, is a material produced by the human mind just a few hours before death in order to prepare the human to transform from this world to another world literally. One of them makes people see many things, memories, or scenes you have not seen before and do not exist in our world at all, and pass on the human journey of the world is said to be a world after death, and the good that you can go back to consciousness after 2 or 3. 75% of people who have experienced DMT commit suicide or have psychiatric illnesses. If you have a chance to try it, will it or not? Do not forget to get involved in the channel and admire my video, and thank you for the